Good morning everyone, this is Pranav Akshara, a 2023 SRISHTI intern, worked under Dr. Shankar sir and Dr. C.V. Jawahar sir under the mobility region. The title of my project is the creation of dataset for detection of corner cases for visual perception in automated driving. All of us know that automated driving, or as we generally call them, autonomous vehicles, have been a big taboo in our society. The highest level of automation, that is where the car can drive itself completely without the intervention of a manual force, is one of the toughest tasks to achieve given the condition of the roads in India especially. So, this dataset is a step in the forward direction of achieving the highest level of automation very efficiently and also more safely. We know that 1.4% of the world's accident rates are taking place in India, which where the major factors can be considered as rash driving, the bad condition of roads. It may be due to the weather condition, or there are vehicles that carry huge luggages or huge amount of goods on them, and so there is a lot of possibility for risk or accidents as we call them. So the creation of data set will enable the detection model, or will enable the machine learning model to detect and classify objects into a better places, as in like into better categories, so that the risk and accidents can be reduced at a greater rate. So as we get into it, let's see what exactly is a corner case. A corner case is said to be present on the road when there is a non-predictable object on the road, or where there is a relatable object, that is where there is an identifiable object, but in a condition where there is a risk attached to it. As we can see, there is a picture containing 3 buffaloes on the road, and there is another picture where there is a car on the road, but the car is literally across the road. I mean, it covers the whole part of the road. In this situation, in both of the situations, the car cannot move forward. So the classification of these corner cases, or the creation of this data set, will enable the machine learning model to to handle such cases more efficiently. What I did was worked with the IDD dataset, which was created by the professors at IIIT Hyderabad itself, that is by Dr. C.V. Jawahar sir, along with some of the other professors who have created Indian Driving Dataset, which is an official dataset that is available on the Google or the internet, that can be accessed by anyone. The Indian Driving Dataset consists of a large number of pictures that have been collected by tying a camera to the front of the car in 2 of the major cities of India, which are Hyderabad and Bangalore. So what we have done is consider the Indian driving dataset and use them to create another dataset consisting of corner cases that will enhance the creation of the machine learning model that is going to detect the objects. Presently existing data sets are 2 of them, which is CODA, which is the only real world corner cases data set that consists of around 40 classes. There is another data set consisting of there is another real world data set which is called as BDD, which consists of classes, but it has only 2 classes. So CODA is the only one that we are competing with. So this corner cases data set is actually done and prepared so that CODA can the disadvantages of CODA have been taken into consideration, and this corner cases dataset has come into picture. This corner cases dataset is mainly consisting of around 25 classes, further classified and dealt with around 17,000 pictures. So let me just show you a glimpse of the different classes that we have in this dataset. You see there is a human being in this picture, and there is debris on the road. These are the sample pictures for the classification of the pictures. And there is a concrete rock on the road. There is a line of bollards on the road. and then there is a traffic cone on the road, and then there is sand or debris, as you may call it, on the road. And let's go forward. You can see a hen here on the road, and on this you can see rice bags on the road. There is a buffalo, there is a statue here in the next picture, and we have a dog right here, and in the other picture there is a metal pipe on the road. All of these cases are very crucial for the for the maneuvering of the autonomous vehicle, because all such minute things on the road may cause a great damage to the inner parts of the engine, or maybe sometimes they can be a great hurdle for the traveling of the autonomous vehicle, so which may lead to many number of accidents. Okay, this is a vehicle that is parked across the road, which is a wrong parked vehicle. There is a tent house here in this picture on the road. Construction material is here on the road, and then there is a bicycle on the road, as you can see. There is dust on the road, full of dust. The road is literally covered with dust, and here are barricades on the road. I'm so sorry. There is a pothole on the road. There is a goat on the road, as you can see. There is one right exactly in the middle of the road, and there is one to the side of the road. So what I would say is that we have used 17,000 pictures, out of which we have encountered 3,900 pictures of corner cases, which is a huge number. And the 17,000 pictures, as we have discussed, have been used from the Indian driving dataset, and the plan further is to develop and expand this dataset using the same Indian driving dataset. We have only used 17,000 out of the 30,000 plus pictures that are available on the Indian driving dataset. Working under Shankar sir and Jawahar sir has been such a great opportunity and such a learning experience for me. I thank IIIT Hyderabad, Raju sir, Hari sir, and all of the professors there that have given us such a friendly yet an environment to learn and improve ourselves in this period of 2 months. I was there for 1.5 months in the campus, and in the next 2 weeks I have worked for online. We have discussed that as I am having my exams right now for 2 months, I will get back to work in September in online mode. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I hope I can get back again to Srishti in the following year. Thank you so much.